Good day, math lovers. No child watch this video and still have problem with angles between line. So this one is vertically opposite angles. Now, vertically opposite angles are equal. So when we have two lines that intersect each other like this one line and this another line. This line intersect each other. So this angle that is here and this angle that is here, they are said to be equal. And the angle that is here and this angle that is here, they are also what? They are also equal. So these are vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite angle. So if this angle is 70 degree, that means this angle is what? 70 degree. This one and this one, they are also equal. Now, how will you recognize vertically opposite angle? Remember when we have letter X. So this is letter X. So we can also see vertically opposite angle. When you have this thing look like letter X, look at this diagram also look like what? Letter X. So the angle here and this angle, they are equal. The angle here and this angle, they are equal. Now look at this diagram now. This is letter X, which is vertically opposite angle. So this X and this Y, they are equal. So X is equal to Y. And the reason is vertically opposite angle. This A and this B, they are also equal. So, and the reason is also what? Vertically opposite angle. A and B, they are equal. X and Y, they are equal. Vertically opposite angle. Also, if you look at it very well, X and B, they are also on a straight line. When we close this, let's close this one now. If we close this line, you see that X and B, they are on a straight line. And also, A and Y, they are also on a straight line. Also, B and Y, they are on a straight line. Then A and X, they are also on a straight line. And remember that the sum of angles on a straight line is also what? 180 degree. Another thing is, the sum of these four angles together is what? Is 360 degree angles at a point. Now, let's solve this question together now. Look at what we have here. We have to find X, Y, and Z. Already, this Y is what? 50 degree. Because this 50 degree and this Y, they are vertically to each other. Remember letter X. So already now Y is equal to 50 degree, and the reason is vertically opposite angles. So that is the reason for Y to be 50. Let's now move to X and Z. For me to get X, I must get Z. For me to get Z, I must get X. Mathematics is sweet, there is sugar everywhere. To now get X, if I close this, you notice that X and 50, the two of them, they are on a straight line. So the sum of angles on a straight line give us 180 degree. So X plus 50 now. X plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Remember, the reason for that one is sum of angles. Sum of angles on a straight line. On a straight line. That's the reason for that one. Now, X and 50, we can't add them together. So 50 is going to the right hand side. 50 will travel to the right hand side. So we have X is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. Remember, when this 50 cross the quality sign, it is plus, it will become minus. So we have minus 50. Now, X now is equal to, when we subtract 50 from 180, we get what? 130 degree. So X is what? 130 degree. Now, since the value of X is 130 degree, that means this Z is also what? 130 degree. Vertically opposite angle. We now conclude X is equal to Z is equal to 130 degree. Now, the reason for that one is what? Vertically opposite angles, and that's the final answer. So Y is 50, X and Z is what? The two of them is what? 130 degree, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Mathematics is sweet, there is sugar everywhere. Make sure you share this video. Thanks for watching.